everybody, welcome back to another morning word. This is where we give you videos Monday to Friday. For those new to this is where I share a couple-minute video, really just sharing from my own personal Bible study, why I wanted to see your life go from here to here. Because God promises this. He says, I come to give you life and life more abundantly. And he also shows us how. He says, listen, as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. So if we can think like God, there is nothing that we can't achieve, because there's nothing that God can't achieve in this life also. So before we carry on, please get a pen, get a pad, take notes. And if what I'm saying is true, if you believe what I'm saying is true, then take massive action on it, because you'll only see the fruits of this if you apply. Application is everything, not just listening. So let's get into this. We're going to be reading from the book of Joshua, and we're reading from chapter 22, verse 16, and it reads this. The whole assembly of the Lord says, how could you break faith with God of Israel like this? How could you turn away from the Lord and build yourself in an altar in rebellion against him? Going to verse 31, it reads, and Phinehas, son of Eleazar, the priest, said to Reuben, Gad and Manasseh, today we know that the Lord is with us, because you have not acted unfaithfully towards the Lord in this matter. We're going to call this morning's word, get the facts. Get the facts. Now, how wrong did the chiefs of the tribes get it in regards to the Reubenites, the Gadites turning their backs on God? They totally thought that these guys had abandoned God and were worshipping, other gods and stuff like that. But they were so wrong. That when they thought they were building altars to other gods, they were actually building a testimony, and worshipping the one true God. And that's what they were looking to do. Now, once the chief priest had actually fully investigated and not listened to Chinese whispers, they had to say, hey, we got it wrong, man. You guys are incredibly faithful. Now, that whole scenario of getting it wrong, that happens in life too, isn't it? You know, we hear Chinese whispers, this person said he's been doing this, or that person's been doing that, or this person said this about you, or that person said that about you. And we hear Chinese whispers, and what happens is a lot of relationships have been broken, a lot of fractions are being caused, or a lot of hatred is uprising because of people's Chinese whispers. We don't even have the full facts before we make a decision. So one of the things that we have to do is make sure that, like here, that we get the full facts before we determine the outcome. So that's really leads us to the question of the morning. The question of the morning is this: are you getting the facts before making a decision? Here's the lesson of the day. Many unnecessary arguments are happening. Many breakdown of relationships are also happening because of rumours and not facts. Before you dive into conflict, ensure you have the facts and the whole truth and nothing but the truth. So listen, that leads us to the action of the day. Make no decision before you have the facts. Make no decision. Okay, if you have to wait a week, 2 weeks, it's worth doing that. Get the facts first. So God bless you. As we always say with Gen Hope, God's gift to us is life. What we do with that life is our gift back to God. Please subscribe to our social media outlets, YouTube, okay? But more importantly than that, please share this with one person, because I truly believe this. If we can change the mindset of one person, we can change the world, because as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. God bless you, and see you soon for another morning.